In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export SellerAmp data. By the end, you'll have your Amazon product data flowing straight into Google Sheets, so you can track ASINs, profit, ROI, and buy prices without any manual copying. We'll start inside the SellerAmp SAS web app. Head to the Sheets section and open Setup. Before anything can be exported, you need to connect Google Sheets. Click Connect Google Account, then allow access when prompted. This permission simply lets SellerAmp send the selected data to your sheet. If you use multiple Google accounts, make sure you pick the one that owns the sheet you want to use. Next, still in Sheets under Setup, decide where your data should live. You can create a brand new sheet with New Sheet, or connect an existing one by pasting in the sheet ID. If you're using an existing sheet, the sheet ID is the long string in the URL of that Google sheet. Choose the option that fits your workflow and keep the sheet organized so future exports land where you expect. Now, set the fields you want to export. This is important because it determines your columns. Select ASIN, profit, ROI, and buy price so your sheet captures the key numbers you'll use for analysis. You can customize which fields are included to match your criteria. The goal is to make sure the sheet reflects the exact data you rely on when deciding whether to source a product. With the setup done, follow your normal product research flow. Go to Amazon, open a product page, and launch SellerAmp. Once the analysis loads, look for the Google Sheets panel within the SellerAmp interface. There, choose your connected sheet by name, or simply click Export if that's what you see. The data is sent instantly to Google Sheets, and your selected fields appear as a new row. It's a good habit to pop over to your sheet the first time to confirm the columns line up with your selections. If you're doing volume research or flips, repeat that export step as you analyze each product. Every time you click Export, a new row builds in the same sheet, allowing you to compile a clean running list of opportunities. This workflow is great for bulk sourcing because you can review everything later, sort by profit or ROI, and flag winners without juggling tabs. That's it. Connect once, choose your sheet, set your fields, and export as you work. This keeps your data consistent, saves time, and makes your decisions clearer.